Okay, it's Luxury Fred. So here in London at The Shard. You see that? Way up there. So I'm gonna take you inside and give you a tour of my room. So first we have this kind of ground entrance here on street level, but then we have to go in and we're gonna go up to the Sky Lobby, which is the actual lobby of the hotel. So let's go in and take a look. I'm gonna go here, which is the lobby of the Shangri-La, way up on the 35th floor. Let's go. Okay, so then this is the actual lobby of the hotel where you check in and all that kind of stuff. You can see the desk over there, but you can see we have these amazing views because even the lobby's up here on the 35th floor. Okay, so you have to use your key card in the elevator, and now we're going up to the 49th floor. Look at that, room 4903. So you already know we're high up in the air, and we're here at the Shangri-La London at the Shard, which is one of my favorite hotels in the whole world. And I was last stayed here about 3 or 4 years ago, and I had another great room like this, and if you look on my YouTube channel, you'll see it has over 500,000 views on that tour. So this is the Shangri-La at the Shard, and we are high up in the Shard, the tallest skyscraper in Europe. I'll show a picture of it. And you can see that we have a truly iconic view right in front of us, the Thames, Tower Bridge, and the Tower of London. Also, HMS Belfast, which is a warship destroyer, part of the British Navy, that's actually part of the Imperial War Museum, and you can tour that. Then over there, you have Canary Wharf, those buildings down there. And then right here, we have what's called the City of London, which is kind of like London's financial district. And you can't quite see it, but if you continue down to the left, you'd see Big Ben and the Palace of Westminster, House of Parliament, and all that. So amazing, amazing views from this room. So if you're coming to London, highly recommend you stay here at the Shangri-La at the Shard and make sure you get one of these iconic city view rooms. Let me give you a tour of the room. So starting on this side, we have a nice big bed. Shangri-La, of course, is an Asian hotel company, so you do have kind of an Asian influence on things. You can see that you have a really nice kind of little seating area next to the window with those amazing views down the Thames and of Tower Bridge right there. You have some flowers and I'm not sure what that, oh, look at that. I guess that's a chocolate iPhone. Interesting. So you have your TV. I don't know if they should have the TV here because it kind of blocks the view. Maybe we should put the TV over there. Anyhow, you have your cabinets and, oh, geez, minibar is empty. You have minibar stuff down there, of course. Keurig machine. You have your minibar stuff in there with alcohol and beverages. You have a little seating area like I talked about. Very comfortable bed. You do have your lighting controls and stuff like that right next to the bed. You also do have shades that come down and cover the windows so that you can have it nice and dark when you want to go to sleep. And then you have a work desk. And I love the views of the work desks here at the Shangri-La because you can sit here and you can just look out at London while you do your work. Moving on, so show you some other stuff. All your controls in the hotel are using the tablet. So for room service, if you want the maid to come, whatever you need, that's basically your easiest point of contact. You have your chargers and your outlets and stuff like that up there. And then let's move on into the bathroom, because the bathroom has a pretty awesome feature, which is a bathtub with a view. So look at that. Let me, so you can see that from the tub, you can look out and see Tower Bridge and the Tower of London from the bathtub. Okay, first night in London. I'm filling a bath because look at the view. Okay, hold on. Let me turn the lights out. Get a better view. Hold on. Okay. Look at that. Huh? Have you ever taken a bath where you can see Tower Bridge and Tower of London? I don't think so. And the City of London? So again, here at the Shangri-La London at the Shard, high up in the Shard, 49th floor, room 4903 if you want to stay here. So after a long day, it's really nice to get in the bathtub. And even in the bathtub, I can look out at Tower Bridge and the Tower of London and all that stuff out there. Isn't that cool? I'm taking a big bath here, and don't worry, I got a bathing suit on. So, as you can see, you have a very nice bathtub right by the window here. And continuing on the tour, have a big, very big shower with a seat, and you have a rain shower. You have all kinds of different shower heads in there. You do have one of these fancy Japanese toilets, which washes yourself and all kinds of stuff. But you can see here that these are your toilet controls, and you can do all kinds of stuff in terms of washing your undercarriage. And then nice, rather compact, only one sink, vanity, and all that kind of stuff over there. Right? There's me. Hi! But just look at those amazing views that you get even from the bathroom. And something very cool that comes with these iconic view rooms is something necessary, a pair of binoculars and also a viewing guide that tells you where things are and what you're looking at. I flew to London on British Airways in their great Club Suite in Club World. Club World is their business class service, and Club Suite is their great new seat, which has a door that closes for privacy. All right, there's me. So that's it for the tour. I'm going to be here in London for a couple days and then headed to Paris to also stay at the Shangri-La in Paris. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and of course, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.